How to enable or disable effect transitions in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page where your timeline is visible. This is where you manage all your clips and transitions. Next, to enable effect transitions, select the clip where you want to add a transition. Then, go to the Effects panel at the top left of the interface. Under the Video Transitions section, you will find different transition effects like Cross Dissolve, Dip to Color, and more. To apply a transition, drag the desired effect onto the cut between clips in your timeline. When you do this, the effect transition will be enabled and visible on your timeline as a small color box. You can adjust its duration by dragging its edges. If you want to disable or remove the effect transition, simply click on the transition box on the timeline and press Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. This will remove the transition, disabling the effect between those clips. Remember, enabling or disabling transitions help you control the flow and mood of your video, so you can experiment with different effects or remove them if they don't fit your style. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable effect transitions in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.